Let me show you what's happening here. I'm at 50th and Vine, and there are trees all down along this street. In fact, you can go down just about any street in Milwaukee and find trees down. But near 49th and Garfield, it was bad luck and bad timing for one car owner. It was a storm unlike any Eileen Seeger can recall during her 20 years of living in the Washington Heights neighborhood.
To see the trees, the other trees in the windstorm, I looked out our kitchen window. They were just bent straight over, so we knew this was going to be a doozy.
A doozy and a downer for her neighbor, who had just parked his car on 49th Street 10 minutes prior to this tree being ripped apart by the strong winds.
Next step is to get the tree off the car and assess the damage.
The damaged car belongs to Willie Jackson's son.
It's just one of those things.
How's he holding up?
He's taking it well. He's looking at a new car, so.
No one was injured despite a lot of downed trees. This is one of those beautiful tree-lined streets in Milwaukee. We're near 48th and Garfield, but here's the danger as well. Look at that old tree right there. It split in half in the storm and could fall at any moment. One block over, Eileen Seeger is still amazed at the amount of tree damage. What felt different about this storm?
I think it was just kind of the energy. Yeah, we've never seen wind like that.